Hi everyone, I'm Emma Allen and I'm going to talk about information literacy. To begin, information literacy is the ability to find, identify, evaluate, and use information effectively. It is a crucial skill in the pursuit of knowledge. It's a very important skill for today's learners because it promotes positive problem solving and thinking skills. Having information literacy is essential to thriving in our digital world. Today, students are provided with an amazing amount of access to tools and resources for learning, but the information they encounter may not always be reliable or high quality. Many times, students look for information online by conducting an oversimplified search that leads to thousands of results. It's proven by the Association of College and Research Libraries that young adults believe that the internet is valuable to their lives and is important to society as a whole. Yet, the controversial digital environment and contradicting opinions have made successful navigation of the internet extremely difficult. To avoid this, students must ask questions, find answers, form opinions, and evaluate sources to sift out unreliable sources or misinformation. Examples of information literacy include students searching out good information by using the right kinds of keywords, checking out an author's credibility, questioning if a photo has been digitally altered, and cross-referencing sources. Learning these skills will set up Learning these skills will set students up for success as lifelong learners. And that's it for me. I hope you learned a lot about information literacy from this video. Thank you.